fidgets I got for Christmas. This DNA one, plus one that did not pop and didn't have the air got out of it. Earth stress ball. Green and black fidget pad. Also, imagine this like tie-dye, like spots and stuff. This cute little frog squishy. Look at him. Look at it. This dinosaur puppet. This unicorn puppet. This milkshake type thing puppet. This ice cream puppet. This penguin puppet. This puppet keyboard. This is the bad side. This new higher quality planet stempel. And by higher quality, I mean like the sun falls out in the middle of my other one. So yeah. And it's just like straight blue, like the other one is. It's like just navy. But this one actually has stars. This butterfly dimple. These things are actually way better than they sound on camera, but I can only do them with one hand. This dimple fidget spinner. This other dimple fidget spinner thingy. This octopus dimple thingy. This puppet watch. Specs. Hold on, let me get them out of the container. Ah, wait, where'd the specs go? I just want the specs. If you saw this part twice, sorry. Ah, wait, where'd the specs go? I only want the specs. Here they are. Now I need the specs back in the container. That's better. These two infinity cubes. All of these marble meshes. And this one. All these monkey noodles and textured unicorn thingies. Besides this one. Whoops. This soccer spinner thingy. This football stress ball. This, I don't even know what animal this is. Squishy. This cat squishy. This cat mochi. This cat mochi. This cat mochi. This cat mochi. This snail mochi. This octopus type thing mochi. Squid. This weird squishy my brother gave me. And come back for part 2. You know what? No. Yep, come back for part 2.